ate an apple. We bought a car last week. Could I borrow a pen from you? This man needs to see a doctor. Can you add few more articles it is?
Okay. Now, whether it is indefinite or definite, can you just help me out, Ramesh? 1 minute. Okay. These are the further examples which I have.
The India Gate is in Delhi. The woman in a red dress is beautiful. The first page of the article is interesting. These are all definite articles, ma'am.
Yeah, correct. Okay. So now the last one which I have is the use of articles in a conversation. So we looked at an apartment yesterday. The apartment we looked was beautiful. So when we are speaking about the same noun again, then we specify it with the. Like in the first instance, we looked at an apartment yesterday. So it's a generic sentence. But in the next sentence, we are specifying about the apartment which we saw yesterday. Then we are using the article the. So I would like to just mention, when we are repeating the sentence and we are referring to something which was done in the last day or anything time earlier, we use the. The second sentence is a dog bit me. Can you just read it for me?
A dog bit me. My neighbor was walking the dog and it ran up to me.
Correct. So we were a generic sentence was a dog bit me, but the next sentence we are
Ma'am,
speaking about the dog, so we are using the for it.
my neighbor was walking a dog, maybe, na?
Walking
Dog की
the
जगह
dog,
पे
because we are speaking about that particular dog who bit me yesterday.
Okay.
So that's how the use of articles come in a conversation. So ideally it's a dog, but a dog will be a very generic information. Here we are referring to that dog who bit me yesterday. So in the first sentence, I used a dog bit me. But in the second sentence, I used was walking the dog and it ran up to me. So there is some difference in both the sentences. When we are using this kind of articles in a conversation, I'm trying to specify in the first sentence, it's a generic sentence. So the vowels are used, the articles are used based on the word. Whether it's a vowel, then it's an and. If it's a generic sentence, then it's a A. But in the second sentence, which is in continuation to the first sentence or with some reference to the first sentence, then the article used with the noun is the.
Okay.
Okay, so we can move to the third one, ma'am.
Sure, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you. Can you just read the third one? Adya saw a doctor.
Adya saw a doctor. Adya saw a doctor last week. She asked the doctor which medication to be taken.
Yeah. So generally, Adya, a noun is used who saw a doctor last week. Saw a doctor. So it's A. She asked the doctor which medication to be taken. So it is similar to the earlier one, which referring that doctor whom she visited last week. So in the first sentence, we are using a doctor, A as an article. And in the second one, we are using the doctor. Since we are referring to the doctor whom she visited in
Particular
the
doctor.
last week. Sorry, I couldn't hear you.
Ma'am, I said that particular doctor, no?
Yeah, correct. Okay. So thank you, ma'am. This was generally all I had for the grammar part and the topic to be covered for today. In addition to this,
I want to know.
we can also have. Yes, ma'am.
I want to know. Please tell me the whole outline of the we can say na full English speaking course, full course. How you will start and how will take it up to matlab further sessions, no?
Yeah. So like we have one topic here, we'll be having different topics. In addition to this, we will also have maybe alternate day or depending on the structuring goes, so probably alternate day, one speaking activity. So one different topic for us to discuss. Like I'll be giving 1 minute. In school we used to have 1 minute session, so within a minute you'll be given a topic and you need to frame some sentences in childhood days. So here you'll be giving 5 minutes and you need to speak or give your opinion on those topics. That's how ideally we can go with the flow.
Yeah, and Momal ma'am, to add on what Sneha ma'am just mentioned, we include few more things in the curriculum. One is first Sneha ma'am will tell you a structure of putting thoughts forward. Like if you are given any topic to talk on, say pollution, so how would you structure your thoughts inside? So once we know how to structure our thoughts, like what is pollution, then maybe what are the problems with these, then how can we overcome it in this way. So structuring it, bringing a thought, and then forming sentences and speaking up. So these kind of exercises also Sneha ma'am will do with you. So I think if you do these couple of times, you will become kind of used to for this, and then it will become little easy for you to speak on any topic which is given to you as a surprise as well. So this is one more thing. And along with these, even Sneha ma'am covers few of the grammar topics. Suppose like actually ma'am, the course is very much customizable with online gurus. So
Yeah.
once a student subscribes for it, and once the trainer starts training the student, if they feel like they have planned the curriculum in this way, but these students also need maybe to go through direct and indirect speech once more, or passive or active voice once more. So our teachers bring in those topics for a couple of classes, and then make those topics as well very much clear to the student. So as you both will be going on, in middle, if Sneha ma'am feels like a topic of grammar should be taken forward, and then we should discuss on that, like direct and indirect speech, parts of speech maybe, because having clarity on these small things helps us in speaking smoothly and with more confidence. So even those things will be included. So that is there. And at any point of time, if you feel, Mumal ma'am, something should be included, we would be happy to take those up as well. And once you become good with speaking, like verbal speaking, then we have a course for speaking with personality, like the complete personality grooming thing. So once you become comfortable with verbal speaking, we will also come to how should you do your body language, your hand movements, your eye contact, your posture, so that you become a perfect public speaker actually. So that also comes into picture. And then Sneha ma'am will also give you some tips and tricks, like when we are into a conversation, sometimes we feel like we are not getting a word. I want to say this, but I'm not getting a word. What should I say? So what should we do at that point of time? How to move our mind, like how to act in those situations? What kind of fillers can be used? What kind of fillers should never be used? So those kind of things which helps us in handling any surprise scenarios we may get into. So all these things will come into picture, ma'am. In the demo, we cannot show everything definitely, but once you are with the trainer, as I mean, does an assessment or tries to understand students in every session, and then she goes and customize the classes as well. So that is there. That is the main quality of a trainer, and that we do have here. So, ma'am, do you have any question on this? Or Sneha, ma'am, would you like to add on something else here?
Yeah,
Or?
perfect, Pooja. I mean, whatever came to my mind, you already elaborated very well. So that's the thing,
Yeah,
because in one demo, we cannot give you the glimpse of everything, but we'll be having a list of speaking skill topics also for you. So which wherein sometimes you are comfortable, sometimes you are difficult. It will help you to move with that journey of understanding the topic and elaborating on the topic. Also, we will be having some test and presentation skills weekly, wherein you should prepare and come so that we can have a discussion here.
exactly. And also, ma'am, I think Mumal ma'am mentioned with me that reading few of the newspapers like the Hindu, there she faces some struggle. So, Mumal ma'am, we will have some exercises for those as well. In the class itself, we will maybe bring something from the newspaper, the Hindu newspaper, and Sneha ma'am can plan for it. And then you guys can have a discussion over there to make you more comfortable and see where do you struggle and how can we help you at that front. Along with that, even Sneha ma'am will have a class for Oreo technology. So I'll just say this in a minute. So Oreo means opinion, R means reasoning, E means evidence, and then O means again opinion. So she will also tell you this technique, like if you have to convince someone, like you have to, suppose you have to convince your family that I need a refrigerator in my home, I don't have it. So a normal conversation with your friend, with your family, with your interviewer or anyone, how should you put your thoughts forward so that it gets to weight? Everybody listens to you and everybody feels like, wow, yeah, this is the great point. So how to structure your thought, like I need a refrigerator, then give a reason why. Because food is getting spoiled at home, leftovers are getting spoiled at home. Show some evidence, like yesterday there were this much amount of dough left and that got spoiled, and then again, so that's why I need refrigerator. So those kind of short tricks and tips, a lot of these things we have in store, Momal ma'am. So we will get to know all these gradually.
Okay. Yeah, ma'am.
Anything, Momal ma'am, would you like to ask anything else, or do you want to add anything?
No, ma'am. No, thank you.
All good. How did you
Yes,
how did
ma'am.
you feel about the session? Any feedback?
Yes, ma'am. It was good. It was good. I like it.
Great,
Okay.
ma'am.
Thank
Great.
you, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Yeah, Sneha ma'am, go ahead.
Yeah. Actually, I'm done from my end, Pooja, as of now, because for today I had these two topics as part of demo. But definitely, as you said, we have a list of articles, list of topics wherein we will encourage the uh, person to speak on those topics and come up with more information. They should frame up
Right.
on the spot topics will be given. At times, topics will be given wherein they can prepare and come.
Yeah, correct. Exactly.
So,
You
a few group discussion topics, few speaking skill topics, and few presentation topics.
Right. And I think Sneha ma'am already talked about may I things, how to request someone. Those are the tips and tricks. There are a few more, like, would you mind sharing your contact number with me? Like, we generally feel how to ask for a number. So we can, in English, we can say, would you mind sharing your number? So these kind of tips and tricks are there. So I think Sneha ma'am will help you with all these things. Thank you so
Yeah.
much, Sneha ma'am, for your time. I
Yeah.
think more
Thank
than
you,
an
Thank you,
hour
Pooja.
ma'am.
we have spent today.
Thank you, Mumal
Yeah.
ma'am.
Thank you so
Thank
much,
you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yeah.
Have a good day, both of you.
Yeah.
I'll get in touch
Wish
with
you
both
the
of
same.
you
Thank
on
you.
phone.
Bye,
Thank you.
ma'am.
Yeah.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.